Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of drinking lemon water or juice for its many health benefits, you won't want to miss this video. Today, we'll be discussing the 4 mistakes people commonly make when drinking lemon water or juice, and how to avoid them. Whether you're a seasoned lemon water drinker, or just getting started, this video is for you. So, without further ado, let's get started. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Drinking lemon water or juice has become a popular health trend over the past few years. Many people tout its benefits, such as boosting metabolism, aiding digestion, and detoxifying the body. However, despite its many benefits, there are also some common mistakes people make when drinking lemon water or juice. In this video, we will discuss 4 mistakes people make with drinking lemon water or juice and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1: not drinking enough water. The first mistake people make with drinking lemon water or juice is not drinking enough water. Lemon juice is acidic, and too much acid can be harmful to the body. Therefore, it is important to dilute the lemon juice with water before drinking it. However, many people make the mistake of not adding enough water, which can lead to stomach discomfort and acid reflux. Solution: to avoid this mistake, it is recommended to use a ratio of 1:8, or 1/10 of lemon juice to water. This means using about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice for every 8 to 10 ounces of water. By diluting the lemon juice with enough water, you can avoid the harmful effects of excess acid in the body. Mistake number 2: drinking lemon water at the wrong time. The second mistake people make with drinking lemon water is consuming it at the wrong time. While lemon water can be beneficial, drinking it at the wrong time can reduce its effectiveness. For example, drinking lemon water right before or after a meal can interfere with digestion. Lemon juice stimulates the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is needed for proper digestion. However, drinking lemon water immediately before or after a meal can dilute the stomach acid, which can impair digestion. Solution: to avoid this mistake, it is recommended to drink lemon water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This can help stimulate digestion and detoxify the body. It is also recommended to wait at least 30 minutes after drinking lemon water before eating a meal. Mistake number 3: drinking lemon juice instead of lemon water. The third mistake people make with drinking lemon water is drinking pure lemon juice instead of diluted lemon water. While lemon juice can be beneficial, drinking pure lemon juice can be harmful to the body. Lemon juice is highly acidic, and consuming too much acid can damage tooth enamel and irritate the stomach lining. Additionally, drinking pure lemon juice can cause dehydration, as the body needs water to properly absorb the lemon juice. Solution: to avoid this mistake, it is recommended to dilute the lemon juice with water before drinking it. This will help to reduce the acidity and prevent any harm to the body. As mentioned earlier, a ratio of 1:8, or 1/10 of lemon juice to water is recommended. Mistake number 4: drinking lemon water instead of water. The fourth mistake people make with drinking lemon water is substituting it for plain water. While lemon water can be a healthy and refreshing beverage, it should not replace plain water as the primary source of hydration. Water is essential for proper bodily function, and not getting enough water can lead to dehydration, which can cause a variety of health problems. While lemon water can be a healthy addition to your diet, it should not replace plain water as the primary source of hydration. Solution: to avoid this mistake, it is recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of plain water per day. This can help keep the body hydrated and prevent dehydration. Additionally, you can add lemon water to your daily routine as a healthy and refreshing alternative to other sugary drinks. In conclusion, drinking lemon water or juice can provide many health benefits. However, it is important to avoid these common mistakes to get the most out of this beverage. By diluting the lemon juice with enough water. That's all for today's video on the 4 mistakes people make with drinking lemon water or juice. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.